Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Here's a sneak peek at what we're going to be making today. I had quite a bit of glitter left over when I made my Milky Way resin coasters a few weeks ago. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I'll link it down below. So I decided to make this cute little sign with my leftover glitters. I already had all my glitters mixed up. If you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step-by-step how to mix your resin and your glitters, I will link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. I just cut the mixing out of this video to save time. So the glitters I used were from Laura's Art Corner and Dryer Days Art Studio. There was a combination of a bunch of different glitters. If you guys need glitter, be sure to check their sites out below. They both have beautiful glitters. And I have discount codes if you guys are interested in getting any of the glitters that I used. So as you can see, I'm just pouring my glitters into my 9-inch round mold here. No particular order, just kind of trying to mix everything up. Hit it with my heat gun on low, covered it up, let it dry for 24 hours. And here it is the next day. That first layer is all nice and dry. Now I'm just going in and pouring a backing layer of the Resin Angel White epoxy paste. I'm using my heat gun to move that around, and then I'm just going to cover it up, let it dry for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to demold it. This is a super simple and easy way to use up any glitters that you have left over from your pours. Adding an opaque backing will really give those glitters more of an opaque look. So even if you only have a little bit of glitter left, you could still pour a backing on there and make it really pretty. So now we're going to add our decal. I got this decal from Red Hen Designs on Facebook. You can get really creative with this. They have decals for pretty much everything. So what you do is just pull the transfer tape off, position your decal where you want it, like this. Take a gift card or something, with a straight edge, push everything down, and then peel off that transfer tape. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I love the sparkle on this one. This decal is permanent vinyl, so you don't have to do a top coat of clear resin if you don't want to, but 100% you could do a clear top coat if you really wanted to. And here's how it looks in a little stand. I'm going to place it next to my coffee pot downstairs because I am a coffee fanatic and I love glitter. So I think this was perfect for me. I absolutely love how it turned out. I'll insert a little clip of it here so you can see how it looks all set up. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it inspires you. It's a fun and easy way to kind of use up any leftover resin you have, and like I said, there's pretty much vinyl decals for anything and everything out there, so you can get really creative. It's a great way to kind of customize things and great for gifts as well. And I'll be sure to link all the materials I use down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have if you guys want to get any of these glitters or the decal. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing good. And if you liked it, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.